Have you been involved much in CBD in that realm, like with CBD-based cosmetic products?
Yeah, we carry a few at the shop. So as of now, you can't advertise CBD on, Facebook or
Yeah, right,
Instagram.
right.
So the only way for you to share your message is you do collaborations with influencers or
Hmm.
other brands that you brand aligned. So I think the marketing potential of CBD is a little capped right now compared to
Yeah,
other markets
right.
I've worked in, which is in beauty and everything. But there are a few CBD focused beauty brands, that's out there. I personally use them myself, so
Hmm.
I can speak to it in a more personal level. But there are a lot of clients who are interested. I think I'm curious to see what the next research steps are to help with acne and to
Yeah.
help with inflammation on the skin. And I think we're going to see a lot of it introduced to the market. Um, and there's some of them that are full spectrum, and there's some that are not. Right,
Hmm.
so all of that, I think it's going to be a very big move in the beauty market. So I'm hearing buzz around it right now that they're going to slowly introduce a CBD side to their product selection.
Yeah, well, just the concept of acne creams has been on my mind for a long time, ever since when I was writing Curious About Cannabis, and that was the antibacterial effects and antiviral effects of CBD. That was something that stood out. I was like, why isn't there a CBD acne cream? And I know there are some products now, and like you said, they're kind of building in popularity slowly. But yeah, that was something I wanted to ask you about, if you had any experience with that, or had gotten feedback from anybody that was using CBD in that way. Does it seem to help affect oil production and that sort of thing in the skin?
So right now, currently in the market, there's CBD beauty focused products that are oil based. So
Hmm.
it's usually like basically an oil or a beauty serum or whatever
Right.
it is, but not necessarily in like a cream based, right? Like a
Gotcha.
treatment based or in that sense. So I think a lot of times clients, when they have acne, their association with oil means more oil.
Right.
Like if
Right.
you face, it's going to produce more oil, right? So
Right.
that's the association. So to break down that association to treat acne with oil it takes some time for people to get used to. If your skin issue, I think, requires much more intensive care, we do suggest you taking it internally. So take it as a tincture and
Hmm.
also topical method too as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um, I find that to be, for me personally, the best approach.
Hmm.
So as much as we advocate taking it for a period of time and then stop taking it, I did that myself. So I took it for 8 months straight, and then I stopped taking it for 2 months to see what were
Hmm.
my and all that. And the first thing that went was my skin.
Really?
My Oh yeah, very like I that was the first thing I noticed. My skin wasn't as healthy, wasn't as internally glowy. Not talking
Hmm.
about product, like internally glowy, as it was when I was on it. When I was actually
Interesting.
like, yeah,
Yeah.
as yeah. So that was my, outside of the pain management, of course. That was my biggest motivator. I said, I'm going to get back on. See, really, nowadays, whenever I meet people, that was the first thing they say, that your skin looks naturally glowy. I'm like, honestly, nothing's changed, but my just the incorporation of CBD in my life. To be honest with you.
Yeah, yeah, fascinating. Yeah, you're the first person I've been able to talk to that's really had experience with CBD in that way. So, yeah, man, that's super, super interesting. Um, Maybe I'll have to
You
start putting CBD cream on my face and see what happens.
But so I wonder, and a lot of times when I'm thinking about this, I wish there was a way for us to measure skin collagen production, or
Yeah,
all of that, with people who are taking CBD internally.
yeah,
Not a topical product,
yeah,
and
yeah.
see is a measure that can help with skin conditions as well. But as a bonus, I think that's great, right? You get to
Right?
treat your pain and have glowing skin.
Yeah.